Hello, folks, students, and professionals. Let's welcome back another session. So this is the second day. Like maybe we're going to see few lessons today. So what is the topic today? Workbook and sheets. Okay. So in this, before moving ahead, please subscribe my channel. Rise your skills. Okay. So sheet looks like this. So what is the sheet actually? This is sheet is sub part, you can say book, sub part of the book, okay, workbook or Excel book or else technical spreadsheet, whatever you call it, okay, your workbook. If you come back here, okay, so basically it need to start with single sheet, your workbook, okay. You would like to add more sheets, you can click this button. This is called new sheet button. See, sheet 1 by default, it is giving like this, sheet 3, sheet 4, sheet 5, sheet 6, like that. How many sheets you can maximum able to add? Can you answer this? Probably it is around 250 plus 256, maximum up to in a work in Excel, you can able to add up to what I would say 256 sheets, okay, maximum. I don't know, as per world version, it is maximum up to 256 sheets. But generally, why you require tabs? Okay, probably here you are taking employee attendance. Okay, so in the sheet, probably, okay, probably I'll try to increase the sheet font. You can able to employ payroll. Okay, so maybe you can able to do it. Okay, employee payroll. So in sheet, maybe something like, okay, employee PF details. So has makes sense, right? You can able to maintain, or else you can able to do that. Okay, employee benefits. So like that, if your organization, if you are from what I would say, HR consultant, probably you have to maintain like this, right? Okay. This is employee attention. This is employee PF details. This is something like employee benefits. So if you look at this bottom, this is to increase your zoom actually. Basically, see, if I put here bottom corner, right hand down corner, if I put the cursor here, this is the place where you can able to increase or decrease your font. Okay. So exactly the center point will be your 100%. Okay. We exactly make it. So or else if you try to increase like this, you can able to zoom it like this. Okay. This is one thing. Additionally, you can able to learn here. So here where I supposed to zoom, that also I will show you in one session. So there is nothing to hurry. This is the session all about like, how to insert the sheets. Okay. So now you come to know how to insert the sheets. Simple. Okay. By clicking this button. Second one is, okay, because single or multiple sheets. That's what I told you, right? First one is it starts with single sheet. We can able to add multiple sheets. Okay. Insert sheet. Rename the sheet. How do you rename the sheet? Okay. Come here, good to go for understanding. So this is maybe EMP, ATD, employee attendance. Okay, just select the sheet and double click here. Okay, so this is EMP payroll. Okay, so now you can able to observe, right? There is another way. Just right click. Okay, and right click, you can click the rename. Okay, you can able to rename. So you can delete it or else you can able to type it also. Okay, this is EMPPF details. We'll learn with fun. Excel, don't worry, just follow me session by session. Okay, you can able to see this, how to rename it. Let me rename employee EMP benefits. I'm just keeping like this for our understanding. So this one is empty sheet like that, you can able to do it. So now you come to know how to rename the each sheet. Okay, this is actually told by this workbook. So your workbook can be differentiated with multiple sheets. Okay. So this is, see, you have to learn the basics. Then only you can able to understand this. I'm just keeping in the uh, person in my mind, like, he never opened Excel. Okay. So have some patience if you know little basics, and we'll go session by session. In these sessions, earlier sessions will be like this only. Okay. Now you came to know how to insert a sheet, how to enter the text, how to rename it. Okay. So next is delete sheet. Okay. Let's check how to delete the sheet. It's quite simple. So select this. Okay. Right click, simply delete it. Okay. So you can't undo delete sheets. You might be removing some data if you don't need, click delete. So if you really don't need, if you don't want this data, then only you can able to delete it. Let's do one thing. Let's keep this. So the sheet 5 and sheet 6 not useful. I'm just deleting. Okay. So I have deleted. If you don't have data, simply go like this. Or else, if I would like to delete with data, certainly it will show this message like if you would like to remove the data or else you would like to permanently delete the sheet. I can delete the sheet. So in this place, if I wanted to move the data, I can move the data, I can save it like this. Okay. Here you can able to find yesterday starting session, I forgot to tell you. So this is the button for your minimize. Okay. This is for minimize. Okay. Minimize the sheet. Okay. So, so let's come here. So this is for maximize sheet. This is the close button, like how you have in a Word document. Okay. So now let's get into the next. So we'll go slowly, and we'll learn perfectly. So what is the move and drag the sheets? So like suppose I'll show you this one. Okay. How it works. So like employee payroll, I would like to keep it this one as my last sheet. So then, so from your mouse, select the left key. Okay. You can move here. So let me do here. See, now it came to the last. So employee attendance, I'm moving to center. Okay. If I want, take here till, see the button mark is there, right? Till this button, you have to come here. So now it is moving. This is how drag and move sheets in between sheets. That is one thing. Okay. Now let's try to, let me show you something. Okay. Next one is, okay. So let me try to add one more thing like, okay. Now you come to know in this session how to insert a sheet, how to rename it, how to drag it. Okay. Let me try to add a sheet in between. For example, if I am selecting this, so right click. Okay. If I click on insert, okay, it is asking, is it a worksheet? You would like to add any new worksheet? Okay. Probably I should say okay. So it is added here, right? So maybe like, EMP work details. Okay, I can add. So if I come, if it is in the middle, if I select this, if I right click this, again, if I click on insert, okay, it is asking. So dialog or else chart or macros will be, one functionality will be there. It is little advanced. International macro sheet. Okay, we're going to see later. But first, I would like to add, my thing is that in between one worksheet, if I say okay, so now sheet 8 is added. Okay, so what is the sheet name is, this is shift details I'm adding like that. I can able to add here shift details. If I would like to move to the starting, I can able to move to the starting also this one. Okay, probably I can keep here. So shift details. So EMP details I can able to move here. Okay, like that you can able to play with the system. Okay, so now what you know, so for shift details, if I would like to put it as HIFT, so from your keyboard I'm typing here. Okay, so your typing skills will give an edge whatever the software work you do, especially for like functional consultants or business analysts. They need to type a lot of documents, some part of their finance year. So typing gives a lot of edge. I'll teach you how to type the keyboard also. That's not a big deal. Otherwise, you can learn from YouTube. Okay. So these are the things. Okay. Now you'll come to know sheets, how to maintain. Okay. So what you learn, insert the what do you call, let me go back to the slide, learn. So singular multiple sheets you'll come to know, okay? And how to insert the sheet and rename the sheet and delete the sheet and move or drag in between sheets. And you also learn like, okay? So how to drag and drop in between also you can able to create it. That's what you learn. So now it's time for exercise. So if you listen this one, okay, it is very, very important. You can try this. Exercise. Okay. So case one, I'm asking you, you'll go by step by step. This is homework for you. Case one. Okay. So please comment once you've done this. If possible, you can able to paste it. No issues. What you have done. Case one, what you have to do. Okay. Open workbook and save. This is for first class. Okay. So insert. Okay. 5 sheets. Okay. So rename sheets in this order. Okay. Like it is, assume that it is uh, class A. So assume that you are doing for this is for school. Okay. Class A. Okay. Class B. Okay. Like that. So let me put it here. So you create a sheet, okay, class A, B, C, like, 5 sheets, you have to insert it, okay. So this is in case one, okay. You can consider this as a, so maybe probably like, so maybe case one, no, let's put it this one as action one, okay. So this is action two, okay. This is action three, this as a homework, and this one is action four, okay. Delete class X sheet. Okay, you have to delete this. So this is homework. If you follow homework, exactly you can able to do it. Okay, you are not a kid, but still, even I do if I join a class. That is more important. So you should be like a continuous learner in your life. Okay, every walks of life, especially in IT industry. So now action five. Action five is like uh, keep the sheets in this order. Okay. So first you created a sheets, right? First it should be sheet C. Okay. Next sheet A. Okay. Next sheet B. Next sheet D. So this is for your no, like for your drag and drop related actions. Okay. Probably let me increase the font. Okay. So you take a with snipper from screenshot or else from your laptop, this screenshot, you do this homework. Once you have done, please comment it. Okay. So this is sufficient. Okay. Maybe action six, you can create a new sheet and rename as uh, jet. Okay. Class jet. Okay. In between sheets, like after second sheet. Okay, you try this. If you do all these actions, okay, your practice is finished till today. Let's catch up in next session with more details. Thank you so much. Thanks for your patience listening. Okay, if you're not subscribed, please subscribe my YouTube channel. If you're not from SAP background, I have a lot, SAP background, a lot of content is there. If you're not from SAP background, you can learn Excel, a lot of corporate relevant skills at my place. Thank you so much. Thanks for joining the session. Wishing all the best. Have a great day.